In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the meeting passcode in Zoom. Whether you're organizing a meeting for work, catching up with friends, or attending a webinar, sometimes you need to find or share the meeting passcode to ensure everything runs smoothly without any hitches. Whatever the reason, knowing where to locate your meeting passcode is essential. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open Zoom on your device. This could be on your desktop client, which provides a robust experience, or on your web browser if that's more convenient for you. Once Zoom is open and you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main screen. Here you'll see various options, but for today we are focusing on the Meetings tab. Go ahead and click on that Meetings section. In the Meetings tab, you'll have a list of your scheduled meetings. This list is a convenient way to manage everything you've got planned, allowing you to easily select from upcoming engagements. Scroll through your scheduled meetings and find the one for which you need the passcode. This might be a meeting you set up for later in the week or one you just scheduled earlier today. Once you have identified the right meeting, click to select it. Doing this will open up a detailed view of that particular meeting. On this detailed screen, there's a wealth of information about the meeting, but our focus today is on the invitation details. Look for the option that says Show Invitation. By clicking here, you'll reveal all the pertinent details necessary for sharing with your attendees, such as the meeting link ID, and most importantly for our task at hand, the passcode. As you inspect the revealed invitation details, you'll find the meeting passcode listed. This passcode is crucial for participants who will be joining your meeting, as it ensures security and privacy by restricting access only to those who are intended to attend. Being able to access and share the passcode accurately helps, both in safeguarding your meeting and maintaining control over who joins. Now that you've successfully located the meeting passcode, you can easily distribute it to your participants. You might do this by copying the passcode and sending it through a secure email, or perhaps including it in a calendar invite. Make sure to share these details securely to prevent unauthorized access. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Zoom to find your meeting passcode. This simple process is an excellent skill to have at your disposal, making joining and organizing Zoom meetings seamless and secure. Remember, being proactive with these details not only helps you stay organized, but also enhances the experience for all your participants. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your meetings run a little more smoothly.